The release date for the Galaxy Z Fold 7 has been announced, and Samsung is confirmed to be producing the device. Samsung has already hosted the Z Fold 7's next Unpack event in South Korea and Paris, but they are now coming back for a major launch. New York City, in the United States, will host the Galaxy Z Fold 7's debut. Samsung intends to release the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 in early July, according to The Bell. It's possible that Samsung is pushing even before the debut, since the Z Fold 7 was introduced on July 10 last year. They could try to change the launch date to an earlier date, but July 4th is a holiday, so they will have to reschedule. Samsung previously had an Unpack event in the United States that included the Z Fold 4, Z Flip 4, and the Galaxy Unpack event, which may also feature the Galaxy Watches and the Z Flip Fan Edition, the company's first trifoldable phone. According to The Bell, the Z Fold 7 is currently being manufactured. Samsung Displays has started mass-producing 7th-generation foldable phones, and Samsung Electronics will follow suit in May. This supports our previous information and clarifies the release date for the next-generation Z Fold 7. Similar to the Z Flip 6 and Z Fold 7, we will see a July release date. Furthermore, we got a first glance at the Galaxy Z Fold 7's display. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 was initially seen, but we were unaware of the differences between it and the Z Fold 6. We desired a bigger color display, and the Z Fold 7 delivers on that promise. This validates the distinction between the Z Fold appearance and the Z Fold 7. The Z Fold 7 is more expansive and resembles a typical phone than the Z Fold 6. Despite Samsung's decision to keep the Z Fold 7's boxier shape, which I really appreciate about the Z Fold 6, the Z Fold 7 does not appear exactly like the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition. Additionally, if you notice, the flashlight position has moved from the Z Fold 6 to the Z Fold 7. Information on the Z Fold 7's battery is also available. In terms of battery technology, Samsung has consistently lagged behind, starting with the Z Fold 3. Samsung continues to use the same battery, whilst the competition has achieved a 5,600 mAh capacity. The Z Fold 7 will also have a 4,400 mAh battery, but what are the real battery capacities? The foldable battery will be tested and adjusted, so don't worry about it, my insider said. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.